Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora is here at Halwara Airport to inspect the ongoing work. So we will try to know from him that what is the status of Halwara Airport, how much more time it will take to start this airport. So welcome sir to The Savera. So sir, you are here at Halwara Airport. What is the present status?
You have seen yourself, Halwara Airport is 100% complete. Only few changes which Airport Authority of India has suggested, those are going on. And as soon as Airport Authority of India takes over the airport, soon Air India will start its operations.
Sir, it has been long time that Ludhiana residents and industrialists of Ludhiana, they are waiting for the Halwara airport to start. So how much more time it will take?
Long time ਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਕਿ it has been 25 years now. And now it's only matter of months. Within 2.5 years, since the funds were sanctioned by our honorable CM, we have completed airport and now it's about to start.
Sir, yesterday Ravneet Singh Bittu has made some allegations that some people are claiming that they are going to start Halwara airport. They are taking responsibility or name for it. But he said that he will soon come with records and dates that who come with this idea.
नहीं नहीं चलो ही इज एनीबडी इज मोर देन वेलकम मैं तो आप तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਟੈਲਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਦੈਟ ਇਟ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਔਨ ਫॉर 25 ਇਅਰਸ ਬਟ ਦ ਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਨ actual work of civil terminal started, that is important.
Right. Sir, how this airport will help the Ludhiana or the Punjab to grow?
Oh, wherever airport comes, 5% of GDP of that city increases, and it will help mainly whole of Malwa region.
Right. Sir, Saneval airport was started, but it was not successful. How you will ensure that this Halwara airport remains successful?
No, there were two reasons for Saneval. First of all, the airstrip was very small. Night landing was not there. Thirdly, the visibility required was much higher than what is required here. So, yes, and bigger aircrafts will land here. So, yes, this will be successful.
What are other facilities available at Halwara airport for the residents?
Whatever is required for airport, it's there.
And how many flights will stop over here?
No, first two flights are going to start. Then slowly, as the traffic increases, more airlines will add more flights.
So it will be domestic flight or international flight?
No, it will be connecting to whole of the world and India. But yes, it will be, to begin with, it will be Halwara IGI.
Thank you so much, sir. So he is Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora. He said that the works at Halwara airport are almost completed. Some few works are at which will be completed soon, and soon this Halwara airport will be handed over to the Airport Authority of India. So you stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.